Dear Anton, son of Christina and Jason, today I decided to sit in the basement, for I've been waiting for you to knock. I've been getting excited every time someone rings the bell on the door. You said you'd be back in 3 days or 4. Told me you were just been given a short tour. You don't ride back like you used to before. I've heard all the stories about people not coming back from the military before, but I know you'll come back, baby. I got a lot for you in store, but this sexy lingerie is short. It's been a year, can you imagine how tight I've become? I hope you'll read this letter and smile. I hope you know I'll forever love you, you're still mine. I hope you're okay, I hope you're fine. I hope making you hard is not crime. I've been staring outside the window. I see sadness, I see widows, I see happiness, I see heroes. I know you're fighting for the whole country, you also a hero. But I've been wetting my pillow. I can't even look at myself in the mirror. I'm incomplete without you here. When I'm in the shower, I just burst into tears. Baby, please come back. Buya. Ziyehlele zinyembezi ngisacela ubuye uzosula. Rain said her first word izolo useyakhula. Ngimtshelile ukuthi ubaba uyabuya. Kanti awusasitholi yini incwadi zami wavele wathula. Ngiyazi ukhona, ngiyazi usaphila. Ngithandazile ngacela uNkulunkulu akulethele ingelosi ezokugada. Buya sithandwa kuyabanda. Ngibatha ngezingubo eziningi kepha kuyafana. Kusafana nakuqala la. Ngeke phela. Ngiyakhumbula izintaba ezingifihlele wena ziyangicasula. Ngisakwazi ukuhlala nabantu abaningi zinembezi ziyazehlela. Umoya mangicabanga usuvela ungiphelele. Ngaphandle kwakho ngiphelele. Sengiyakumemeza noma ngilele. Thanda bese ngikulungisele ngacela nomakhelwane bangilekelele. Mhlawumbe ufuna ukungisurprise, ngiyaziduduza. Uma ungaphendula lana uzongiphumuza. Usangithanda ngithi ngiyabuza kanti akasabuyi yini umkhonyana? Bayabuza sithandwa buya, ngifuna ukukuluza. Kuba ndivumanga kuba kulo msebenzi abakuthathanga, kanti mnandi sacingela. Singabazali sathandana, ungixolele ndiyaphambana. Ngixelele uphi inzoza ngizokuthatha. Seningxamele ukukubamba futhi xa ubuyila sobe uphinde uhambe. Buya, funeka siqhubekeke nokuchata, ndikunika inqayi. Umzimba wami uyabhitha, uyabanda, amehlo amabomvu adiniwe kukulila. Inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu kudala iqaqamba. Ndiyaguquka qho kunzima ulala. Ndicinga kaninzi nje bandibhala. Mhlawumbe bakonzakalisa, mhlawumbe sebakubulala. Hayi kodwa bebengasoze banixelele. Bebezonitsalela umnxeba, bebezonixelela. Soze ndikuyeke, soze ndikulahle, soze ndikubalekele. Buya seningxamele ukukubanjwa ngesakhe isandla. Buya uzongincedisa sikhulise umntwana. Buya uzondipha amandla.